You can geo-target a specific ISP within a country using Proxyrack proxies by making a simple change to your username wherever you've configured your proxies. So that could be in code, in your browser, in an application, wherever you've configured your proxies and it asks for your username. So the way you can do this, first you need your username. So come to the authentication tab here or here and find your username. You can copy it. I'm just going to show this to you in a note, but you can do this wherever you've configured your proxies. So we need to add a couple things, and we can do this with two different syntaxes, and I'll show you both. So in order to use the dash syntax, we would go country. So we need to specify a certain country, and then we would specify that country with the 2-letter country code. So we'll say US, and then we say ISP in order to geo-target an ISP, and we'll say Verizon in order to geo-target only Verizon IPs. So this is how you would do this with the dash syntax, and you would just add this username wherever you've configured your proxies. In order to use the semicolon syntax, you would do semicolon country equals US, and then, sorry, not city, ISP equals Verizon. And then for this one, we need our API key as well. So we'll come in here and we'll encapsulate all of this with quotation marks in order for this to work properly. So we have this semicolon country equals US, semicolon ISP equals Verizon. We can also do this in our user dashboard to create a full list of our different ports if you would like. So here we have the format configurator, and then so by default it has host and port. And then many applications or programs want you to include your username and password as well, so we can include those. And then here we can do the same thing in order to add these parameters to our list. So we can say ISP Verizon, and then this will, you can see it auto-populates into here, and we can quickly either copy the list out and add it to a program, or you can download the list as a text file. And then you could do the same thing with the other syntax as well. So we have country equals US, ISP equals Verizon. And then with this one, make sure to encapsulate the username and password API key. So then, again, all you need to do is add this wherever you've configured your proxies, and you would be able to geo-target a specific ISP.